Alright, I want to show you these outdoor string lights. So this is what it comes with, the lights itself. An extension, so you just connect this piece to this piece, and here's the plug. So the plug would go here, or you could do it directly if you don't need that extension to the lights. It also comes with these for each light, the pick and this little thing. So you attach it to the light, and then you attach the spike. So if you want to put it outdoors in the ground, there you go. But what I like about the lights also, they have hooks on them, so you can hang them directly on a hook. So let's try these out. Oh, it comes with remote as well. It changes different colors. There's also a QR code if you want to download the app, and you could control all the colors on your app. All right, so let's try this out. All right, so I plugged in the lights. Here's the control. I put it on auto. I put that extension so it could reach for having movie night. So it just has a little extra decoration. You can see them when it gets darker. I'll show you how it looks. But it looks pretty cool. You can see them light up. I'll show you when it gets a bit darker. Here are the little lights we use as decoration for movie night. Alright, so I set up these lights here. Let me turn them on with the control.